Welcome to Romeo and Vero. Today we're gonna shoot some video how to show people how to make spinach and drumstick. Little bit chopped onion, green pepper, drumstick. The drumstick, add it inside. You boil the spinach and little bit. When you boil it, you add the soda just to remove the dusty seed inside. So this is the mashed potato that we make it earlier on. This is our mashed potato. So the spinach and drumstick go very well with the mashed potato, and our spinach is ready. So yeah. This is the drumstick made by Romeo and Vero, one of the best in town. You can come to the restaurant, test the touch of the chef, and you can also make it by yourself by buying our products and make it by yourself. Very easy, so freshy.